Okay, Math 7, let's talk about today's lesson, which is on scale factor and drawings. Alright, so when we talk about this, and to make it really simple, basically what a scale drawing is you can't, if someone asks you to draw a house, for example, we know we can't draw the actual house because it'd be way too big. So instead we want to make a detailed drawing of it, but to a factor, to a scale. So sometimes we might say like 3 feet in reality is equal to 1 inch on a drawing. And this would be the scale factor that we would use. So, for example, if I'm talking about a house, or even a bedroom, for example, let's have the object, let's have the original length of the object, and let's have the scale length. I don't like that. Let's not call it scale length. Let's call it the new length. And let's say we have a bed, let's say we have a desk, and let's say we have a, I don't know, a rug. Why not? So the original bed, let's say the bed has an original length of 6 feet. The desk is 4 feet, and the rug is 8 feet. And let's say the scale is going to be for every 1 foot, it's going to be 2 inches. So every 1 foot will be 2 inches. So since I have 6 feet, what am I going to use the new length? What am I going to draw it as? Well, if 1 foot is 2 inches, that means I'm going to do 6, and I'll multiply it by 2, and I'll get that on my paper it's going to be 12 inches. What will the desk be? That's right, it'll be 8 inches. And what about the rug? Yep, 16 inches. Good. Now, we're going to use these scale drawings to our advantage, because another time we use a big scale drawing is when we're looking at the map of the United States, or a map of Valencia, for example, the map of Newhall. Because you're not going to have a map of actual size. One, you can fit that into your back pocket, but you want to have something that you can actually read. So most maps, well, sometimes they'll give you a scale that is something like 1 centimeter is 24 miles. So if I told you that the distance, for example, the distance from Newhall to LA is 60 miles. I want to know how far is that on a map. How far is that in real life? Well, since I know 1 centimeter is 24 miles, I want to know how far x over 60 miles is. So right now, obviously, it's a proportion that we can cross multiply and solve. 24x equals 60. If I divide both sides by 24, let's see, I'm going to get x is 2.5 centimeters. Okay, so today, that's really a quick lesson today. You're going to work on the next Geometric Figures worksheet. I believe it's GF7, I think. Am I right, Mrs. Danny? Okay. Yeah, I heard you talking back to the screen. Uh, so you're going to work on that, and then we will do some more work tomorrow with this, and I will be back tomorrow to continue doing the lessons, and I will be live, not on computer. See you tomorrow.